So I don't know if y'all remember, but we have got this big dent in the side of my car and we're going to fix it today, or try to fix it today. So I don't know if y'all remember, but I have these two big dents in the side of my car. I'm going to try to fix them today for 60, 70, 80% of the dent. The smaller dents or the short dents, I will not be able to do them today. A, because of the temperature, B, because of the material, lack of material to fix it. I need some clippers to get the inner door out, the inner door seal like this. And if that's fixed, I can get on and start hammering it out, but it will take a while and I really need better weather for that. So we'll do that in the spring or in the summer, and for now we'll just fix the big dents and maybe see what else we can do. I'm also thinking about repolishing the plastic trim on the car with some shoe polish, and that's it. Simple things, but that's what you do on 31st of December all by yourself. Oh yeah, and right, I forgot, we're going to the car wash because you can't do it on a dirty car. Let's go. Next house definitely needs a garage that's big enough for a car, because this is like barely big enough for anything. So as you've seen, the dent removal wasn't really a success. I've been able to remove like 2 dents, slightly, but we'll really need to take out the interior trim and then hammer it out with some wood and a hammer. And maybe then we'll get going. But for now, this is how it will be, and that's it. So one of my neighbors just distracted me. Not a problem, but I got a little bit carried away with doing the car again. Look at my hands. It's like, still okay though. I've just did every little plastic trim. Let me show you around. It looks pretty clean right now. I don't know how long it will last, but we did it. Anywho, let's go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. Sadly, the undenting wasn't that good. I said 60 to 80% and I've gotten like 10 to 50%. But I'll be doing it further with a hammer and a wooden block. I'm glad the trim looks pretty good right now. Makes the car look so much cleaner, especially since it's a black car. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.